Friends, I make a nostalgic revisit to my old home, old town, old place where I grew up. I passed my teenage where I used to ride on bicycle. I used to learn my car and where I used to walk and have long discussions with my soul, with myself, where I used to plan in my heydays that the whole horizon, the skies are for me, and I wanted to be a doctor, then I wanted to be a physics expert, and then there were a lot of things where my loved ones, so dear, so near to me, passed away. I walked by the wall of my, passed by the wall of my old home. It's so nostalgic, it's so dreamy, it's so strange to see that I can't open the door and be inside. It made me feel as how many times we die before death. How can we be forbidden from having a desire of being fulfilled by being at a place where it was the day and night and it was all ours, where we had the freedom to rejoice, to have all kind of pleasures, to have fun, to reunite, to greet and meet our relatives, friends, and which we used to say to everyone loud that it's our home, we live here. And now it's so strange. It's a strangest place on earth, like it seems like, and the whole area is like so alien to me. It's not the nice feeling. It was the very difficult, very nostalgic, very difficult. It was kind of depressive and the kind of thing that made me feel cry, that I remember my father who has passed away, being there, walking and sitting at different places, saw a lot of people, loved ones who passed away from this world, mortal world, being in there doing something, and then there were so many happy events which really happened there. But folks, this is life. This is life. The only thing constant is change. So someone said it, and now I know, yes, that's the reality of the whole thing. We cannot grab a moment. We cannot keep everyone aside by ourselves. Everyone has to grow, everyone has to move on the road of life. This journey requires us to move forward, and to move forward with motivation and optimism, and keep our hopes alive. But yes, if we are moving on, if things have changed, it's not that we have lost something. The great memories will always stay with us. We'll keep always telling our kids and our people around that what the leisures and pleasures we had at those places. We can make a visit whenever it's possible and see the old trees and the parks, gardens and the roads, if it will exist in future. Or our ancestors who had left their homelands and places for the sake of migration in 1947, or for the sake of education, or the jobs, businesses. They also left their families, their parents, their loved ones, their everyone as behind. So we are not the only one who has moved on. The migration, the transmigration, the immigration, the people who go to far off lands, offshore lands, pass through many hurdles, pass through many psychological dilemmas, but the important thing, they have an aim, they have a hope, they want to have something new, Whatever is anyone's dream, but stay blessed and try to stay positive. Things happen for a reason, and then try to find the goodness in whatever things. And if you have passed some great moments at some place and with people, then be thankful to all those people. Then thanks to Allah Almighty for giving you that ease and the pleasure of having beautiful memories. Yes, there were tough times, but it's all gone. Past is something which we can't change, and future is not in our hand. What we have is this present moment, so enjoy it to the fullest level and make the use of it in the best form. That's the crux and the actual nectar of our lives. Stay intact, stay blessed and happy, and remain calm for having a peaceful journey in this mortal world. Thank you.